So dynamic routing, in dynamic routing, route are learned by using a routing protocols. In a static routing, everything is we can configure manually. Either we can configure next hop IP, either we can configure exit interface. But in dynamic routing, route are learned by using a routing protocols. Routing protocol, we learn about routes from other neighboring routers running the same routing protocols. Okay, we have two types of dynamic routing, IGP and EGP. IGP means interior gateway protocol, means when we are communicate in same routing, same AS, that time we prefer a IGP, interior gateway protocol. Example, RIP, EIGRP and OSPF. Okay, EGP, when we are communicate between different AS, that time we prefer a EGP, exterior gateway protocol, and we have protocol for this border gateway protocol means BGP. So what is autonomous system? What is AS number? An AS system is a group of network under a single administrative control. When group of networks running in the same under a single administrator is known as AS. What is a routing table? This table is used to store a route information. Okay. Now we start RIP protocol. RIP, routing information protocol. This is open standard. Layer 7 protocol uses UDP at layer 4 for data transportation. Port number 520. Default AD 120. Multicast address of RIP is 2240.0.9. Okay. Metric of RIP is hop count. Hop count means from source to destination how many router between source to destination how many routers. Okay, maximum reachable metric is 15, 16 is unreachable. So how we configure the RIP?
Sir, you are recording the session, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Here we can give 10 network and here we give 20 network. Okay. Firstly, we have to configure the IP address 10.0.0.1 and then no shutdown. Exit. Ten dot zero dot zero dot two. No shutdown. Twenty dot zero dot zero dot two. No shutdown. Twenty dot zero dot zero dot three. and then no shutdown. Now we configure the RIP protocol. So go on router 0 and run command router RIP. Okay. And then we have to give the command version 2. Okay. Then we give the network command. Here we give network which is directly connected to this router. So on router 0, 10 network is directly connected. So here we give 10.0.0.0 and exit. Any doubt, any question? Okay.
Sir, what is that version 2?
I can explain this one, ma'am, after this practical.
Okay, sir.
On router 1, router RIP. Then we give version 2. And on router 1, 2 network is directly connected, 10 and 20. Just a minute. So on router 1, we have 2 network. So first configure 10.0.0.0 and second network is 20.0.0.0. Okay, and then exit. On router 2, we configure router RIP, then we give version 2, and here we configure network 20.0.0.0
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬೇಕೇನು ನಿಮಗೆ
and exit.
ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಪೆನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವು ಪೆನ್ ಮೇಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಎಲ್ಲದ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್
ಪೆನ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಪೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
Our 10 network is connected by using R. R means RIP protocol. AD value is 120
ಬಿಸಾಡ
and 1 is
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದಾಗೋದು.
matrix from source to destination only we
Can
have.
Ankit, can you just show the router 2? How you configure that?
Router 2
Yeah,
or router 1?
router 2. Yeah, version 2 network. So 2020.
Yes,
But this is router 2, right?
because here we configure 20 network, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you show once again? Can you show that?
Yes.
So what you did, like so you configured with network 20. Okay. So what is that? You exit that that Z shift. What is that? Yeah,
Exit.
exit. Okay.
Control plus Z. Directly we come on the privilege mode.
Okay. So what actually happens here when we write this router RIP? So what exactly it is?
This is the command for configure
Yeah.
the RIP protocol.
So that means for this router you're configuring this RIP protocol.
RIP,
So
yes.
what is the functionality of this RIP actually? What?
RIP is a dynamic routing protocol, bro. Okay.
Mhm.
RIP has 2 versions, version 1 and version 2. By default, when we configure the RIP, version 1 is running. Okay. In version 1, update are sent as the broadcast. It does not support classless route and also does not support the authentication. But in version 2, update are sent as the multicast support classless route, and it also support the authentication. This is difference between version 1 and version 2. Okay, RIP has 4 timer update every 30 second, update packet sent automatically to its neighbor. Okay, invalid time 180 second, hold down time is 180 second, and flush time is 240 seconds. Update
Sir,
every,
what is that update? Okay. Yeah.
yes ma'am. Update every 30 seconds the same update packet. There is a packet in the RIP. We can see this in the simulation mode. Every 30 second RIP version to send a update packet. Okay. This packet sent by every 30 seconds. The device build a periodic RIP update packet to send out the Giga Ethernet 0 by 0 by 1. So every device of RIP sends update packet on the periodic interval. Periodically, in which router send a complete copy of routing table out of all neighbor. Every 30 seconds, RIP send a update packet, and update packet it sends complete copy of routing table. Okay. Next timer is invalid if route is present inside routing table and update are not received from more than 30 seconds. Then this route is declared as the invalid route.
Sir, what exactly updates?
Update
Complete
is a,
routing table, whatever is there, like details of that routing. So everything will be updated every 30 seconds.
yes, every 30 second router send a update packet. Firstly, it is used to
Update for what? Update for what? What it updates?
update is a packet, ma'am. In this packet, many things it sends whole. Firstly, it is used to make a neighbor of other router, and after neighboring, it's used to maintain the neighbor. Okay, ma'am. Just like when you call someone, next timer is invalid when a router is not receive update packet more than 30 seconds, then route is declared as the invalid. The invalid route is not removed from router from routing table. Update the invalid of the update the end of invalid time. Okay. Third timer is hold down. The invalid is over and hold down timer is started. The route remain stable even hold down timer has started by 180 seconds. Invalid and hold down timer both are run at same time. Just like if invalid time is running 31, 32, 33 seconds, at the same time hold down time is also running like 180 seconds, 179, 178. Both timer is running at same time. This time is invalid and this time is hold down time.
Sir, not clear.
Okay, ma'am.